Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and welcome to the first video in my Harley Quinn costume series. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made the top. There are many different iterations of Harley Quinn. My main inspiration for this costume was one of the looks that she wore in the Harley Quinn and Poison Ivy comic series, and so I'll post a reference picture here. So I got this sequin fabric in blue and red from an Etsy store, and I'll link to that in the description below. And this is what I'm going to be using for the shorts and also for the top a little bit. Now for the top, I'm taking this black strapless bra I have, and I'm just going to sew on little diamonds of the different red and blue onto the cups. For my first step, I printed out a diamond shape, and I'm going to link the template for this particular one on my craft blog. But really any diamond shape that's the right size will do. And I use that to cut out red and blue diamonds from the sequin fabric. Our next step is going to be to attach the diamonds to the cups of the bra. My original plan was to sew this on, but after thinking about it for a few, I think I'm going to go ahead and just use my all-purpose adhesive to glue it down. I'm going to be using this for a costume, so it's probably not going to have to be laundered a lot or anything like that. And this sequin fabric shouldn't fray with the amount of use I'm getting out of it, so sewing is great if you need to protect the edges and keep them from fraying, but I think that the gluing will be fine. Another thing to be mindful of here is we're trying to attach some flat fabric to a curved surface, so it's probably going to pucker a little bit in places, and so that's just something to be mindful of when you're doing this. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down, and then I'll be back. This is what the top is looking like. I may eventually go and reinforce it with some thread, but for now the glue seems to be holding up just fine. You can see if you look really closely some puckers here and there due to the curvature, but I think when you're looking at it from a distance it really doesn't look too bad. So if you're looking for a fast, easy way to make a Harley Quinn top, this one is, I would say, a pretty easy method, pretty quick. You don't have to use sequin fabric, you could use plain red and blue fabric. I just really like the aesthetic of the sequins, I thought it would be really fun. That's how I made the top. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then you may want to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.